Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you put a review for this Callus remover and messenger. So this Callus remover is it's a I can see it's a $5 Callus remover. It's and also a massager, so you can also massage your feet, you can remove your skin.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
Okay, so today we got this 7-in-1 Callus remover and massager. So it also massage you. So massager and then 7-in-1 Callus remover, how it works, what it has, we'll go through everything on today's video. So let's see in the packet. So first of all, it says 7-in-1 Callus remover. It says before, after. So before it is kind of like that, and after it is kind of like that. And then here you can see it says like it has two AA batteries. It needs two AA batteries, and it's not included. Okay, and it has a model number AE8783. I don't know what it is. And then there you can see like there is like 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 seven's kind of head is given with this Callus remover, and we'll see like what's what. And then next, here is some instruction on the back of this package. One is what it is. It says messenger portable pedicure system. So it's a pedicure system designed to massage your favorite lotion on callous areas for softer, smoother skin. Simply soak, fill in water, and soft and dry skin. Snap desired attachments onto the pedicure machine to begin. So looks like it's specifically for women, but certainly the man can use it because we also have colors, no? So choosing the right buffer. Attachment should be used in consistent circular motion with light firm pressure. Never use buffers on nail bed. So you cannot use them on your nail. Do not apply extreme pressure while using pedicure system. So do not press it hard. Just probably like a little bit like smooth. How should I say? Like you just don't put more pressure, like extra pressure. Just like move this massager slowly over your fingernails or whatever until will stop if too much pressure is applied. Unit will stop if too much. So it has a safety mechanism. If you press too hard, your unit will stop performing. Slide switch to off position after use, so you can stop off. There is like soft brush help to clear up all the scarf cleans on the surface. So there are like soft brush, coarse buffer, fine buffer, card polish accessories, then pumice applicator for filling and smoothing rough color skin, big crude polish accessories, gentle accessory, bed skin from feet and toes, rolling messenger to make better blood circulation to protect the skin from aging. Okay, so that's what it is. There are some warning also, and this is a made in China product. Let's open it and see what's inside. There's no other good way to open, so guys, I have to open it this way anyway. So its model number is AE8783. It doesn't matter, like it's anyway. Let's just go through it. Okay, so battery is not included. Is pinky. So there are like three mode. You can see high mode, low mode, off. Okay, so what's inside? So here the opening the battery seems pretty easy. I said easy, but it's finishing. No, it's not easy. So inside it's also pinky. Okay, so there are like, as it says, like there are like several heads. What kind of heads are they? So this is the brush, I think they talked about. It's written. Okay, so what you need to do, you pull it out. Okay, there is no manual, nothing else what says, right? So you need this paper for you if you want to use it. open it, and then here you will see. So you have to just look into it. So this one is crude polish accessories. It's called crude polish accessory to rip the tough skin pudding. So that's that. It's very shallow made, so I can see. And what's that? So pumice. It says pumice. So I went through this one. This is pumice applicator for filling the most rough Callus skin. I guess probably one of those. And then there is coarse buffer for removing tough Callus skin. I guess that's it then. This seems same, no? And there is another one, fine buffer for smoothing or for shaping nails. That one, I think. And then ruling messenger to make better blood circulation. I guess that's what it is. And then you have soft brushed to clear up all the things. And then the crude polish accessories to rip the skin and cuting off on corners. You can clean this thing using the corners. So that's it. And this is the main thing now. So that's all. So let me try it out at least how it feels. I had two batteries in my hand. I will just try it out. One, two. The battery is in. Plug the thing. See? Oh, it's kind of like a motor. Okay, it starts slowly, and then off. So this is low. This is high. Okay, you can hear the sound like high is high. I'll try out at least. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's moved clockwise though. Let me clean out my Callus, my dead skin. Easy to remove. What about that one? Oh, really? You can do your nail, no? That's not. What about the height? It says if I hard press it will stop. Oh yeah, it stopped. Along with hard press, you can see it stop. Let's move. Alright, it's not a bad deal, it's a good deal. It seems okay for like $5. It's fun. I can tell you this. I'm not sure like how will be effective that one though. Oh, I feel nice. Oh yeah. Really, it feel nice. No, it's good. Not bad at all. Okay, that's it. Take care, everyone, and please make sure to subscribe my channel for more such videos.